my mango cherry juice. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a mango cherry juice. So I have here some cherries, roughly a dozen or so, and I have some Julie mangoes cut up. I have ginger, and I have my sugar, which is roughly 2 tablespoons. And I have some lime juice, my blender, and I have my strainer and my water. So this juice is packed with vitamin C, good for the entire family. It's good for the children. So I'm gonna get started, guys. So let's go. It's also, you can make this for your Sunday juice, guys. So let's start. So I'm gonna add my cherries, I'm gonna add my mangoes, I'm gonna add my ginger, roughly a tablespoon of lime juice, yes, and then I'm gonna add my sugar, and lastly I'm gonna add some water. Alright, so you can also use some granulated sugar instead of brown sugar. Alright, so I'm gonna blend. Finished blend, guys, so I'm gonna strain it now. So guys, you see how rich this is. I'm gonna add some more water to it. All right, guys, you can make it thicker if you love it thicker. You can also make it without the sugar if you're watching your sugar intake. No need to worry about sugar if you don't want to add the sugar. Okay guys, you also need to strain this juice more than once because you will still have the trash in there if it's not strained properly. And there you have it, guys, my mango cherry juice. Nice, rich, delicious juice. Look at it, guys. Try it, you will love it. Yes guys, remember to like this video, share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell me what you think about this juice. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. My mango cherry juice.